welcome to Simon Tools. Today I'm gonna do something maybe useful, maybe something not useful. So stay with me. I have got the control. It's called the you can use for dimmer control, or you can use for the fan control if you wish. For dimmer, we have one like this, and the connection is very easy. It's on series connection. That means series to one of the wire on the power input. You switch them between that one of that wire, bridge between here and there, one in and out here, and it controls the currents to the voltage and make the light go dimmer, the LED light dimmer. And I will show you how it works. And sometimes it can make for the ceiling fan go fast or slow by turning this knob. For I do this one because I'm using the LED. You buy a they call the LED downlight, standard mil, 90 mils, and it's using the, you buy a dimmable. It's called a dimmables. That means this one can dimmer. And for some reason I put on because we're gonna set up in the room sleeping, and instead of we using the transformer, we're using the LED light to make the whole room light. Some people can sleep with no lights, and some people cannot sleep with the light inside the houses at night. So we put on some dimmer to make the sleep better. And see it work today. I just buy one and unbox them and try to see how it works. And it worked, and I will show you how it works. Or for the fan, turn, and you can see the fan turning like this. Now we try to see how it works. And this is the ceiling fan. You can use for ceiling fan, or you can use for exhaust fan. That means when it's sucking and upload it, you can build some inside your house to suck all the dust or air inside the house out. Example, your ceiling is super low on the light beam, and we're gonna make a sleep room. Anyway, I start to the tiling, and then this one, the hole used to be a windows. So what I do is I disconnect the timber on the top and make sure fresh air clear there, and I seal all this one with the tile, and this one will be sitting on, and I really make the power point like this, and I put that one here, and with another turning switch knob, so I can turn fast or slow, and I can leave this one all day or night, and it's gonna stay like this. So you suck up and blow the air outside on the top there and make your room fresh. This one, and we don't know how long it's gonna be last. It say it can get control up to 200 watts, and it should be alright. So, and this one, the motor is it's only, they don't say what's in here. It's written in Chinese, man. Sorry, I cannot read Chinese. Okay. Anyway, hopefully it works. I connect them on and see the dimmer control, and test. So this go into the flux, okay, but don't plug them on yet. Let's do try the testing, okay? Testing the connection. No lying, man. See, do it before you gonna install them on. And this one again, the wall, and this is the switch. Bypass the switch and then on, off, okay? I'm gonna use one of them through the switch. Just connect any of them into the switch here. Very simple, very simple. If you know, okay? Switch here, and one of the power inputs here. So much easy for you this way. Any wire input, doesn't matter. The active or common wires, doesn't matter, okay? Any wire that control the current, that's all, the current in. And go in like this. It's a series. It's the series connection, okay? Not parallel. Parallel means two together, but series, that means separate out. I using this one again. I'm gonna cut this one out. I'm gonna using this one. Where this one going? I don't know. What can I do? I'm using one of them here. Do I have to cut them? That's another question. Okay, cut here. Cut here. Okay, we split from brown. We keep this one brown. to make sure it's same color, make it look nice, that's all. Okay, we got brown. We test one by one, okay? See, hopefully the fan working. Hopefully the fan working. Hopefully this Chinese fan we're working on. How long it lasts, I don't know, but we better test before we install them all, okay? If you want to save, put a bit of the tape, whatever it is you want it. I don't know. I just don't want to put my hand in there. So I don't want to get zapped. So make sure a little bit safety, otherwise someone on the YouTube when they watching they said I'm the dodgy, but you know, for someone to see it's safety, that's all. For me, I don't care. I touch it, it's zapped me many times. That's why I go around the world. I go crazy, man. Don't worry about it. I go crazy already. Anyway, just firm, okay? Don't need to be super. We have to take it off anyway. See, that's how the. See, this is how. So just follow the color if you want, okay? Up to you. I don't give a damn what you're talking about. Whatever it is, I don't care. Okay, I will show you the diagram what I do. Okay, just firm, man, just firm, man. Okay, go like that. Okay, damn good. And you see this is the power. That's how I set up. See, this is the power input where the plug on the wall inside and plug in series. Go through one of the switch and go there and put this one on. Boom. Now we turn up the light and I switch it around. See this one up, you see? On. Okay, now we're gonna control it. Beautiful. You see, if you sleep, some people sleep at night, they need a bit of brightness inside the room. So especially some old people, they need the light so they can walk in and out, go to toilet. So we really need something like this for daytime and nighttime. So this is the controller. Okay, see it's work like this. Okay, and this is how the instruction. One wire go through the main, anything, any wires. Okay, just split from here to there, and control bridge between here. So it's control the current, and it can give you dimmer. So this is how it is. And now I'm gonna test on the fan. See the difference on this one go fast or slow because this one mainly for dimmer light, but I don't know will it work on the fan. But hopefully they say 200 watts, it should work on that one. Okay, let's try, turn it up. Same way connection, you can go red to red or black blue, whatever it is, you name it. Okay, I don't give a damn. Any wires, I said, any wires. If we test on the fan, we turn on the switch, turn on the switch. See this is, we make it slow. When it starts sucking and push the air in, see the air flow here. See when they suck up the fan, when it suck in, so you will see it's work, but I don't know how long it lasts. We just test for a few minutes and see if it's warm. No good. If it's not warm, we'll be all right. We wait to see. Okay, we see. And this here, it should be sucking in. See the air? See the suck in, and they blow out. See it blow out from here. Fast, slow. See, you go slow. That means if you can leave it all day, they can bring up the lever. Okay, go like that. Okay, go slow, fast, slow, up, it up, and this one should be go down. Okay, we turn on. This one not going down. Shit design. Look at that, it's not going down. Anyway, it should go down itself and it should work. And put them on, man. And look, anyway, Thanks for watching short video how to buy one of them. For a light dimmer is the main key, but we can use for control this one as well, up to you. Okay, thanks, see ya.